Hello and welcome to the SupraScoop tutorial for intent campaigns. Intent campaigns are used to mine for commercial intent on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Say for instance you are a travel agent that is looking for new clients. We will find people that post on these three social media platforms about wanting to travel or even suggesting that they might want to. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. To get started with intent campaigns, we're going to click on the create button in the toolbar and we're going to give our campaign a name. Let's call it traveling. You can now choose a category of your liking. We're going to pick lifestyle for this example. And now you can pick a stream under that category. You can even pick multiple if you want to, but we're going to pick traveling for this example. And we're going to listen for people that are interested in traveling or suggest that they might want to go traveling. So if you made a mistake while creating your campaign, you can select the campaign and click on the edit button. Here you can quickly tweak the stream you're listening to and the name. If you made an error with the category you chose, simply archive the campaign and create a new one. To archive the campaign, you select it from the table and simply hit the archive button over here. This will stop new leads from being produced and move the campaign to the archive tab found over here. For now, we're just going to go into this campaign and see what it looks like. There will be a table listing the available leads you can choose, and you'll see the post the people made and if there's location information attached to it, stuff such as that. And we are going to pick a random post here, such as this one. And you can see media they attached to the post as well, and the location they posted it from. And if you are happy with this lead, you can engage it to go to the original Twitter post, where you can now talk to this person directly, send them a DM or reply to their post, anything like that. And if you want to save this lead for later use, you simply hit the save button over here, which will fetch some extra metrics and also move your lead to the engage tab, where we store your leads indefinitely until you want to remove them, simply by going into this lead and clicking on the delete button over here. And the extra metrics we go fetch are the follower count, the following count, and the amount of posts they've made. And if you want to tailor this table of leads over here more to your liking, you can apply some additional filters here to tweak the results that you get from this campaign. And that's pretty much it for the intent campaign tutorial. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.